Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the Apple TV is on the same network and signed into your Apple ID. This prevents sync issues later. Once done, pick up the Siri remote or open the remote app on your iPhone so you can type quickly. Now go straight to Settings, choose General, and select About. This is where the device name lives. You need to be in the About screen to access the name field and begin editing. Once in About, select Name and tap Edit. This opens the keyboard for a new label. You should enter a concise, recognizable name. It helps when using AirPlay or home controls. Make sure to avoid special characters that might confuse other devices. After typing, press Done. The Apple TV will apply the change immediately. If you use the Home app, open the Apple TV accessory, edit its name field, and save. You should now verify the new name appears in AirPlay menus, the Home app, and Control Center. These confirm system-wide propagation. If the change doesn't show up, restart the Apple TV and the device you're casting from, then check again. Make sure TV OS is current and the same Apple ID is used on relevant devices. Differences can block sync. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud on the Apple TV, sign back in, and repeat the rename to force a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.